Here, Champ Barbecuers, today we're doing up buffalo blue cheese poppers. Oh, hell yes, actually, in the Pit Boss. And we're loading up that Pit Boss today with a few cooks. Oh, hell yeah.
Give me a hell yeah!
So I'm using about a quarter cup crumbled blue cheese with 1 brick cream cheese and about a half a cup of Italian style cheese. It's got Parmesan and all that stuff in there. And mix that all up, dash in a couple tablespoons of Frank's Red Hot, and then mix that all up very well.
Give me a hell yeah!
Then you're gonna gut out your jalapenos, stuff them any which way that you like, wrap them in bacon, and get them suckers in whatever cooker you want to use. Cook them at about 275, 300 for about an hour and 15, hour and 20 minutes or so. Pull them off, let them rest and hang out. And so when you bite into them, you don't get that hot cheese scorching all over your face. Hell yeah. You can also dash on a little more of that Frank's Red Hot on it, and which I did not on this one, but these are gonna be banging. It's time to taste the poppers. Come on, man. Ooh, she's dripping. Let's give that bad boy a try. Man, this looks amazing. Everything I put in it, hopefully it is what I expect.
Give me a hell yeah!
Oh, I got a hot one. Man, that's good. Very good popper right there. Man, perfect. That's perfect. Cooked at 275 in the Pit Boss for a good hour and 20 minutes. Up on the top highest rack. And I'll let that bacon drip down on all the chicken I'm making for the next cook. Oh man, that popper is wicked good. Man, that's a buffalo atomic style popper. Awesome. And then you're gonna cut up the top. Then you're gonna cut the cap. What the f is it? Then you're gonna gut out your jalapenos.